Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am here with the presentation of human heart. So you can see this is a picture of human heart. Introduction to the human heart. The human heart is one of the most important organs responsible for sustaining life. It is a muscular organ with 4 chambers. The size of the heart is the size of about a slanted fist. The human heart functions throughout a person's lifespan and is one of the most robust and hardest working muscles in the human body. Like humans, animals also possesses a heart that pumps blood throughout their body. Even invertebrates such as grasshoppers possesses a heart-like pumping organ, though they do not function the same way a human heart does. Position of heart in human body. The human heart is located between the lungs in the thoracic cavity, slightly tilted towards the left of the sternum. It is derived from the embryonic mesodermal germ layer. The function of the heart. The function of the heart is any organism is to maintain a constant flow throughout the body. This replenishes oxygen and circulates nutrients among the cells and tissues. Following are the main function of the heart. First, one of the primary functions of the human heart is to pump blood throughout the body. Second, blood delivers oxygen, hormones, glucose and other components to various parts of our body. The heart also ensures that adequate blood pressure is maintained in the body. There are two types of circulation within the body, namely pulmonary circulation and systematic circulation. Types of circulation. First, pulmonary circulation is a portion of circulation responsible for carrying deoxygenated blood away from the heart to the lungs and then brings oxygenated blood back to the heart. Second, systematic circulation is another portion of circulation where the oxygenated blood is pumped from the heart to every organ and tissue in the body, and deoxygenated blood comes back again to the heart. Third type of circulation is coronary circulation is an essential portion of the circulation where oxygenated blood is supplied to the heart. This is important as the heart is responsible for supplying blood throughout the body. Moreover, organs like the brain need a steady flow of fresh oxygenated blood to ensure functionally. This is the diagram of the blood flow of human heart. Structure of human heart. The human heart is about the size of a human fist and is divided into 4 chambers, namely 2 ventricles and 2 atria. Second, the ventricles are the chambers that pump blood and atrium are the chambers which receive blood. Third, among which both right atrium and ventricle make up the right heart and the left atrium and ventricle make up the left heart. Fourth, the structure of the heart also houses the biggest artery in the body, the aorta. The right and the left region of the heart are separated by a wall of muscle called the septum. The right ventricle pumps the blood to the lungs for reoxygenated through the pulmonary arteries. The right seminal valves close and prevent the blood from flowing back to the heart. Then the oxygenated blood is received by the left atrium from the lungs via the pulmonary veins. Structure of the heart wall. The heart is made up of 3 layers, namely first epicardium, second myocardium and third endocardium. Epicardium is the outermost layer of the heart. It is composed of thin layered membrane that serves to lubricate and protect the outer section. Second, myocardium is a layer of muscle tissue and it constitutes the middle layer wall of the heart. It contributes to the thickness and is responsible for pumping action. Third, endocardium is the innermost layer that lies the inner heart chambers that covers the heart valves. Furthermore, it prevents the blood from sticking to the inner walls, thereby preventing potentially fatal blood clots. So you can see this is a diagram of heart wall. Blood vessels. First veins, second capillaries, third arteries and fourth aorta. First veins supply deoxygenated blood to the heart via inferior and superior vena cava and is eventually drained into right atrium. Capillaries are tiny tube-like vessels which form a network between the arteries to veins. Arteries are muscular walled tubes mainly involved in supplying oxygenated blood away from the heart to all other parts of the body. Aorta is the largest of arteries and it branches off into various smaller arteries throughout the body. Some of the interesting facts about heart are: first, the heart pumps around 5.7 liters of blood in a day throughout the body. Second, the average male heart weighs around 280 to 340 grams. Third, the average female heart weighs around 230 to 280 grams. Fourth, an adult heart breaks about 60 to 100 times per minute. Next, a newborn baby heart beats as fast a pace than an adult, which is about 90 to 190 beats per minute. So guys, it is presented by Priyanshi Agarwal. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.